Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and I will take you through the Microsoft chart today. Very interesting chart. We have added a new trading area to the chart. That means a new opportunity could be coming up. So we're going to take a look at the long-term and short-term chart now. So let's not waste any time. Let's go. We are on the dailymarketupdate.com website. Here you can see the different sectors that we cover. We do cover them completely for free. You can register on the website completely for free and you'll receive daily free Elliott-Wave updates. We cover, for example, a range of cryptocurrencies and also stocks. So let's click on the stocks. You can see here which ones we've covered before. And every day we cover certain stocks. For example, last week we covered Chevron, JP Morgan Chase, PepsiCo, and so on. So let's take a look at Microsoft now. Microsoft is in a very, very interesting position. So let's click on the one-day chart. Here you can actually see one of our trading areas. It has been newly added. And let me take you through the wave count. So on the Microsoft chart, as you can see here, the move up from the 2022 lows is considered a 5-wave pattern in beige wave 5 of blue wave 1. Yeah? So the wave 1 is a 5-wave move. And after 5 waves, as per Elliott-Wave structures, basically the rules of market structure, we know that a large pullback should follow. However, at the moment, the expectation is that this wave 1 in blue is still unfolding, and we're currently simply in a correction. Many other tech stocks are in a very, very similar structure or position on their charts. They might form another higher low and then another higher high before a substantial top forms. And here for Microsoft seems to be in this 4th wave, dark green, before rallying once more in dark green wave 5 to complete beige wave 5 of blue wave 1. And that would be a substantial top. So ideally is then to maybe enter a short position at that point or to sell positions, raise some cash. We are not there yet, at least not in our primary scenario, which we assign 71% probabilities. So if you take a look at the chart here, you can see that the 5-wave pattern to the upside has unfolded so far. Down there, wave 1 and wave 2, that was end of 2022. Wave 2 bottomed, and then the recent high early this year constitutes in our primary scenario dark green wave 3. And now this is where it's getting interesting, and we're going to take a look at that in a shorter time frame, in a minute. But the trading area that we've specified here is defined between $400.50 and $300.89. So the market should ideally hit that area, turn around in this area, and then rally in wave 5. What really shouldn't happen in our preferred scenario is a break below the red line. That's key support at $366.78. No, the price should ideally turn around in the green trading area. How can you trade this? Well, obviously, it's up to you to control your position size. It's up to you to take a trade or not. We can help you understand the areas where the market has a really, really good chance to turn around. What we use for that is a tool called Fibonacci retracements or Fibonacci extensions. And these are typical levels based on market sentiment where the price would normally reverse. And based on the wave counts, we can use certain calculations and use certain levels. And more likely than others, these levels should lead to a reversal. And as you can see on the chart, this green box is one of those boxes. The levels come from the Fibonacci tool. They are based on Fibonacci mathematics, and it should lead to a reversal there. Okay, in an alternative perspective, I mean, we don't control the market, right? The market is controlled by the buyers and the sellers, and market sentiment is all about probabilities. There are no certainties. However, the advantage of the Elliott-Wave method is that if support breaks, we have already an alternative plan, a plan B, which would suggest that blue wave 1 is then complete. But again, back to the question of how you can trade this, you could enter a position in that area and set a stop loss 1% below the box. So 1% below $380.89. Now in the alternative perspective, as I said, which we assign a 29% probability, the market would break below $366.78 and then also $309.45 and head down with a 29% probability already sooner than expected. Now on the smaller time frame chart, you can now see here the microstructure. Before we do a deep dive into this structure, let me know in the comments which other assets, cryptocurrencies, stocks, metals, indices you want me to cover, and then we'll see if we can cover these in future videos. Also, if you appreciate the content, if you want to support the channel, leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. Activate the notification bell so you are never going to miss a video. Thank you very much. So back to the chart, you can see here this dark green wave 3, which topped in March this year. And you can see that the current wave 4 correction is seen as an A, B, C structure, which completed a W, a wave W. This is now an X wave, and then the Y wave is still to follow. So A, B, C in wave W, an X wave, and then a Y wave to follow. We're likely currently in this X wave. That's a complex correction. Other patterns that could apply here may be a triangle, even though it doesn't really look like a triangle. But wave 4 structures are oftentimes sideways corrections. So it doesn't really look impulsive to the downside yet. So we are still looking for one more high. But the price should hold $380.89. Now, in this particular time frame, on this time frame, if the market already now breaks above the green line here at $448.26, then we have to assume that we are already moving higher without hitting the target area. In this alternative perspective, again, we assign it a 39% probability. Wave 4 in green is already in, and the market already bottomed, and we're already breaking out higher. So this is on this time frame, then again, all about, okay, what's the primary scenario, what's alternative? At the moment, we're focusing on higher against $380.89, but we are looking for another dip into that support area. That would be ideal. I hope you enjoyed the update about Microsoft. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and also subscribe. And also subscribe to the website. It's completely for free, and you can receive all these free Elliott-Wave updates. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.